every day's a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, Happy New Year and welcome back to Quest for Tech. We just got in the first of Samsung's new lineup for 2021. Before we get these unboxed, just want to remind you guys that we are doing our contest right now for a bunch of $20 Best Buy gift cards. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe, leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see us review in 2021. And as soon as we hit 1,000, we'll get those gift cards right out to you. All right, so without further ado, let's get these unboxed. All right, so new this year with the Galaxy Buds Pro, they have two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation. It gives you 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and these are IPX7 water resistant. Samsung says that they can be submerged in up to 3 feet of water. We ain't gonna try that now, but we'll take their word for them. Let's get them unboxed. All right, so we've decided to go with the Phantom Black. Woo! Whoa. All right, so there's definitely a ghost in the Phantom Black, evidently. All right, so we decided to go with the Phantom Blacks. Be careful, they will jump out the box on you. Samsung with the nice box and packing like always. And that's gonna be your buds. That's gonna be your buds in their self-charging case. What else is in the box? All right, so also in the box, they give you your USB Type-C. And that's it. You got the buds in the self-charging case, USB Type-C cable, and let's see how they look. Woo! Nice. I'm loving how the Phantom Black looks in the buds. They have a really nice shine to them on the touch area, as you can see there. And they just look really, really nice. The first thing you'll notice when taking them out is they are definitely larger than the beans that Samsung released last year. And hopefully that's gonna make them more comfortable, comparable to the Galaxy Buds Plus that also came out earlier last year. Because you got this part that'll go directly into your ears. All right, so we will be doing a comparison video with the Galaxy Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Plus, and the Galaxy Buds Live. But right now, let's just see how they look together. So just for a quick comparison, we have the Galaxy Buds Pro, Galaxy Buds Plus, and the Galaxy Buds Live. Obviously, the Galaxy Buds Plus has a longer oval-shaped pill-like case, and then the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Live have these two, I don't know, compact cases, I guess. If you saw the Galaxy Buds Live from last fall, you'll notice that both the cases are very, very similar. It looks like the Phantom might be a little bit smaller, right? I'm not sure how the other colors look, but the Galaxy Buds Pro has a more matte black finish, whereas the Buds Live has this glossy finish. So that could mean something with fingerprints. And then that's what all three look like with the case open. The Buds Pro and the Live are definitely, well, I think they'll all fit in your pocket pretty easily. Obviously the Buds Live, known as the beans, are the ones that are totally different. But you can tell that the Galaxy Buds Plus from last year and the Pro from this year are part of the same family. They both have these ear, like the part that goes inside of your ear, which last year I found those more comfortable, personally. And then the Buds Live kind of just sits in your outer ear, if that makes sense. We did do a video review on the Buds Live. But if you were a fan of the Galaxy Buds Plus or the Galaxy Buds, then you're gonna like the Pros, because as you can see, they're very, very similar. It looks like the stem for the Buds Pro is a little bit longer than the Buds Plus.
It seems like the Pros are definitely a slimmer design, like more symmetrical to each other, and it doesn't leave any gaps.
And that should definitely help with the noise cancellation that we'll be testing out.
Both still show like the little R's and L's on them, which is a nice feature.
So you know which one to put in which ear. It looks like they don't have they got rid of the fin. You see on the Plus has this little fin there. Looks like the Pros don't have the fin here. They got rid of that. So then compared to the Beans, totally different design. Obviously the Beans have this, bean shape that kind of sits on the outside of your ear, whereas these go more in it. But for me, last year, these were definitely more comfortable than these. So I'm hoping I will like these. Alright, so there you have the latest Samsung Galaxy Buds family from the past year. We got, again, on the left, the Galaxy Buds Plus. On the right, the Galaxy Buds Live. And in the middle, the brand new Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright, so that was just a quick look at the family of Samsung Galaxy Buds from the past year, along with the unboxing from the Buds Pro. We'll definitely be doing some comparison videos, and I'll test these for a couple days and come right back with the full review for the Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright friends, that's the video for today. Thanks so much for questing with us. We really appreciate you giving our channel a chance. Do us a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel for your chance to win a $20 Best Buy gift card. Once again, all you gotta do is like the video, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Let us know something that you'd like to see us review in 2021. Thanks again for questing with us, everyone. We really appreciate you. Have an amazing day. Stay safe. Happy New Year, and never stop questing. Peace.